Why do customers turn to Tungsram when it comes to battery components? It's the breadth of our in-house metal and plastic fabrication, as well as our laboratory testing capabilities that convinces them. From prototyping, tool design and manufacturing to serial production, we are constantly developing our machinery and engineering resources. Tungsram understands the importance of speed and flexibility in the development process, and ready to concurrent engineer parts with you in the early phase of production part approval process. Prototyping requests are supported by a dedicated design team and machinery like high-speed milling, several EDMs, 3D scanning and 3D printing capacities. With Tungsram, your metal or plastic soft tool can be ready in 10 days or less. Our stamping and sheet metal shop is equipped with machinery suited to low, medium and high volumes as well, with a significant capacity in multi-slide technology. Tungsram this year produced more than 1 million bus bars for EV traction batteries. To better serve our customers, we are automating bus bar assembly, upgrading our nickel plating line, and introduce supplementary technologies like ultrasonic welding. Our injection molding shop has machines with clamping force up to 470 tons and works with more than 130 different plastic materials. The tools and the molding process is monitored online with the capability to automatically select parts. This year marks the centennial anniversary of the establishment of our central laboratory. Today, our team of technical experts analyzes more than 200,000 samples per year in the field of materials characterization, electromagnetic compatibility, electric and mechanical safety, as well as environmental resistance. In the environmental testing laboratory, we are measuring the performance of equipment under specified environmental conditions, such as extremely high and low temperatures, specified humidity, blown and settling sand and dust, salt spray, and vibration. The electrical and mechanical safety testing area performs testing essential to ensure compliance to safety standards for any product or system. The material characterization laboratory is assessing properties and behavior and ensuring the quality of materials. It also analyzes material composition, grain structure, micro-hardness, and chemical resistance of different materials using various test methods. In 2022, Tungsram is planning to extend its laboratory capabilities in the field of battery testing, focusing on life and performance testing of cells, modules, and packs under specified environmental conditions.